Hey, gang. We are going to wrap up this unit with these three poems in writing a persuasive paragraph, picking one of the generalizations of a cyclic pattern of change that is best illustrated in one of these three poems. Well, I need to be honest with you. As I was reading these directions, I kind of forgot what the generalizations were. So I had to go back and review and look back in my book, and I remember, oh, yes, on page 21. So I have it right up here. Some of the generalizations about cyclical patterns of change are these: cycles may be constructive, destructive, or neutral. Cycles may occur naturally or may be imposed by human behavior or understanding. So think of some natural cycles you can think of that happen in the earth. As repeating patterns, cycles provide structure for our passage through time. So that can start as basic as minutes to hours, as hours to days, days and nights, months, years, seasons. The end of a cycle causes the cycle to begin again. A cycle may appear to have no beginning or end. Cycles may be broken, and cycles may be added to or diminished as they continue to repeat, forming spirals. So at the beginning of the year, you should have had some examples written on page 21. So the key then is to pick one of these generalizations and then go back to our three poems and pick the poem that best illustrates this. Now, when I think of the word illustrate, I think of draw. Well, that's tomorrow. It's coming up tomorrow. But illustrate means to kind of give the best example using details and supporting. Like which one best illustrates this, which one best demonstrates. Demonstrates and illustrates to me are synonyms. So again, first pick your generalization or go through the poems, and the one that sticks out to you most as a cyclic pattern of change, do that, and then pair it with these generalizations. Then you're going to go to page 91 and give me your introduction of what generalization you have chosen and which poem illustrates that. And then using evidence from the poems, you're going to give your reasons. And then remember, in our hamburger model, we can elaborate. We can do one elaboration or we can do two elaborations. And then we support it with our conclusion, kind of giving synonyms from what we said up at the top. So you want to just jot down your thoughts on here, but then you're actually going to type up your paragraph on the given slide. So I just wanted to take a minute to review what the generalizations were for cyclical patterns of change, which is what we just did. So again, turn to your page 21 and pick the one that works best for you.